And I am the lead designer and founder of Serenity Design. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and thank you for choosing to watch this tutorial today. So what we're going to be doing today is looking at the color controls, so just about color today. We're not going to be doing any of the other effects, just focusing on the color tools that are to offer in Lightroom. So to go over to there, we need to go to the edit. So we go to my photos. Photos are taking a bit while to load here. There you go. This photo I used in a previous tutorial, so I don't know why it's not loading, but luckily we don't need that. Oh, it's there now. So we're going to be talking about colors today. So we'll actually use this file, and to get to the color controls, we need to go over to the right hand side, like I said in a previous tutorial. We go over here, and then this is where all the controls are. So the first section is all about light, but the section we're going to be using today is color. So here, this is where you change the color spectrum and you change the colors of the canvas. So here you've got controls like temperature control, so you can warm up the colors on the screen, you can cool them down. You can tint, so you can change the kind of color hues in the picture. You can change the vibrance, so you can make it black and white almost, or you can make it really pop with color. And you can change saturation, so you can make it really pop with color, or you can make it grayscale, like so. This bit is probably my favorite, the color mixer, so you can get to choose the colors. Is that changed? No, that's not changed at all. So you can get to change the color. So for example, when you have a big block color, like for example this building is just blue, you can focus on editing just one of the colors on the pane. So these controls change everything. So if I change the tint, it all goes a greeny color. Whereas here, if I go onto the blue hues, when you look at the blue colors over here, you can see them very subtly changing. So I can change the vibrance there, but it also is about refining. So we've got two blues here, so it might be this blue that it affects. There you go. So as you can see, only the blue hues, so obviously the ground has got a slightly blue hue to it. This building is definitely blue. Well, it was. As you can see, when you change it, it changes just the blues. All the other colours in the picture are unaffected. So if I just want to make the blues really pop out, I can do that. I can change the luminescence, so I can make it brighter like so. Then as you can see, when you focus on this block here, because it's easiest to see there, I've only changed the blue hues in the picture. Obviously other things will change if they're in the same hue or in the same spectrum, but you get the idea. So for example, if I just want to change the red bricks, you can click the orangey red hues. So for example, if I do this, all the bricks have turned a lot more red, making them saturation makes them even more red. You can brighten them up with luminescence, so it kind of matches over here. And then when you focus on this side, you can see the drastic difference that we've made. And it only affects, like for example, this back building, if you look at that here, that's unchanged because I haven't changed that colour hue. All the other colour hues kind of come together. This colour hue is more maybe that red, I think. It doesn't change at all. I think probably a mixture of colours. It will be a bit more of a complex one to do. But you know, you can change all of it here. So that is just a overview of the color editing tools in Lightroom. If you liked this tutorial, please like the video, subscribe for more videos coming your way in the near future. And yeah, I just really hope you liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one.